Hey guys, Nick Dabas here with Adorama TV. Today we're testing out SmallHD's new 5-inch Focus Pro monitor with RED Komodo Control. Let's go check it out. So before we talk about specs, let's talk about one thing that stood out to me. The fact that you can calibrate this monitor before you go onto set is very important for color reproduction. So for a small 5-inch monitor, it's amazing that you have RED Komodo Control, which is just a camera protocol and allows you to access the entire menu on the camera. Alongside of being super small as a 5-inch monitor with all metal construction, this only weighs 9.6 ounces. And it's awesome for a lightweight camera just like the Komodo. Another feature I really loved about this monitor, using it all day long with Sony L batteries, it's its low power draw. And it allows you to change less batteries and actually focus on shooting. You also have the other option of powering this rig with a 2-pin. And just like every single SmallHD monitor, you get things like exposure, focus, scopes, framing, and many more. So let's dig deeper into SmallHD's new menu system. And it's as easy as a swipe. Now, the one thing that stands out to me is at the top of the menu, you have color pipeline. And that's awesome because you can actually change the color profile of the monitor. And you could also add 3D LUTs with a SD card. You also have a headphone jack. And this monitor features an SDI port, but it also has a sleeve over that SDI port so it doesn't get damaged. That's very smart of them to put that in. I have to say that this monitor is solid metal, and even you can tell by the construction of where the battery port is, there's nothing plastic on this besides the screen protector, of course. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in on the SmallHD Focus Pro monitor with RED Komodo Control. I hope you guys enjoyed this product as much as I did. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Adorama TV's channel. And I'll see you next time. Take care.